All right, this is the audio version of your first fifth grade math test. Before answering any of the questions, make sure you press pause so that you can work the problem. Make sure to work the problem out completely on scratch paper before circling any answers. And then when you're ready to move on to the next question, hit play. Question number 1. Ignacio and Elaine read the same book. The shaded part of each model represents the fraction of the book that each student read. Which expression can be used to find the difference between the fraction of the book Elaine read and the fraction of the book Ignacio read? Question 2. On Monday, Pete and Ted completed a total of 7/10 of their group project. Pete completed 3/10 of the project. What fraction of the group project did Ted complete on Monday? Question 3. Miss Owen ordered 2 foot-long sandwiches for her 3 children to share. The picture shows the 2 sandwiches cut in half. Each child ate half a sandwich. Which fraction represents the number of sandwiches the children ate? Question 4. Mrs. Bernstein used parts of 2 identical rolls of paper to wrap packages. The models are shaded to represent the part of each roll of paper she used. What fraction of the rolls of paper did Miss Bernstein use to wrap the packages? Question 5. Martha bought a new box of cereal. In 1 week, she ate 4/9 of the cereal. Which is the closest to the fraction of the cereal she had left? A. Less than 1/4 of the cereal was left. B. Less than half of the cereal was left. C. About half of the cereal was left. Or D. About 1/4 of the cereal was left. Greg sorted his collection of baseball cards. Greg will give 1/5 of his collection to his brother. Greg will sell 4/10 of his collection to a card shop. Which statement is true? Greg will have exactly half his collection left. G. Greg will sell more than half his collection to a card shop. H. Greg will have less than half his collection left. J. Greg will give more than half his collection to his brother. Number 7. The owners of a business rented 4,506 and 2,300 square feet of space in an office building. They plan to use 281 and 6/10 square feet of the space for the kitchen. How many square feet of space are left? 8. Hannah drew straight lines in her driveway with chalk. The table shows the lengths of the lines. The table reads Hannah's chalk lines. Lines, length in meters. What is the difference in meters between the length of line S and the length of line P? Question 9. Christine has a $10 bill to spend at the book fair. She buys one book for $4.95, 2 bookmarks for 65 cents each, and a keychain for $1.85. How much change would Christine receive from a $10 bill? Question 10. Eric has 158 action figures to put in display cases. Each display case can hold 8 action figures. How many cases does Eric need to hold all his action figures? Question 11. Diane worked 18 hours each week during the summer. She worked a total of 8 weeks and earned $9 an hour. How much money did Diane earn during the summer? Question 12. Kareem will use beads to make bracelets. He has 475 beads and needs to use 9 beads for each bracelet. What is the greatest number of bracelets Kareem can make with 475 beads? Question 13. The table shows the relationship between the position of a number in a pattern and its value. The position, the value. Which rule shows how to find the value when given the position? Question 14. The table shows a relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. Number machine, input, output. Which number machine shows the same relationship as the one shown in the table? Make sure and go back and check all your answers. And if you need to rewind the video to listen to questions again, feel free to listen to the questions as many times as you need. Good luck.